Whoa, guys, finally we get some Taco Bell. Whoa, guys, we get some Taco Bell. Look at that. Whoa, I love it. Wow. Yeah. See that? Whoa. Wow. Done. Finally got some Taco Bell, guys. Yeah. Wow. Guys. Wow. Wow. Guys, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, guys. I have a lot of stuff coming out. A lot of stuff, guys. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Last weekend somebody stole my GoPro. That's why you see my video is not fun like they used to. Somebody stole my GoPro last weekend. You know, I bought a GoPro. You know, my GoPro is in the way. You know what I'm saying? That's why my video is not fun like they used to, because somebody stole my GoPro. I'm gonna make sure, still gonna make sure you get a video every day. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Wow. Well. Guys, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, guys. I have a lot of stuff coming out, you know. I'm working hard for you guys. Wow. Wow. I love it. Yeah, that's a good meal, man. That's a good meal. I like it, man. It's a very good meal. You know, I like that mango tea. Yeah, that's very good, bro. Good taste. I love it. All right, let me eat the last one. That's the last piece right here, guys. Let me eat the last piece. You guys looking at that, guys? Look at how beautiful that thing is, guys. I love it. I'm in love with it. Whoa. I love it. Whoa. I love it, guys. Whoa. Guys, I love it, guys. Whoa. Wow. Wow. Thank you for watching, guys. I will see you in the next one. All right.